Okay, so we're going to take a minute and go over what you need to do each time you enter the statistics course in Blackboard. So the first thing you'll need to know is that you'll always enter through this announcements portion right here. The announcements portion is where you'll have what you're going to need to do on a daily and weekly basis. The first part of the announcements will always have what's due that week. So for example, this week you need to fill out your student information form that was sent out via email, and you need to make sure you complete the Getting Started button on the left. That's this button right here. The next thing you'll notice is what you need to do this week. So for example, this week your assignments are due Friday, August 31st, and you have everything right here that you'll need to do. Make sure that you complete the Getting Started folder, the button I showed you over here. Make sure you watch the orientation videos. Those are in the Getting Started folder. Make sure you filled out that questionnaire from your email, which I have above, and make sure you understand that the student orientation is on Wednesday, August 29th, and the parent orientation is on Thursday, August 30th. So that's your information for the week. If you'll scroll down, you'll notice here's also the 2 videos that are in your Getting Started folder. This will also list your chat times. It will tell you how to attend chat every week, and any updates with chat will be posted here. The other important thing that's on your announcements page is your calendar. So notice here's your calendar. Everything that's highlighted in bold is something that you will actually need to turn in. The other stuff that's on your calendar is there to help guide you as you go throughout the unit so that you don't feel like you're overwhelmed with the amount of material that you need to turn in on Sundays. So for example, notice how your first week we just have orientations, and then on the second day I have review section 1.1 and section 1.2. Remember, you're always more than welcome to work ahead. Notice how this is highlighted, so that will be assignments that are due that day, the 1.1 hiring discrimination discussion board and your 1.2 quiz. Gives you information on what to do for your next couple of days and what is also due on Sunday. Your 1.3 homework assignment, your 1.4 quiz, and your Unit 1 Frappy. Those are the free response questions for the AP exam. Now, I understand that this is what's due on Sunday. However, what is the week before it is late after Sunday. So for example, if you don't have time during the week to do this assignment, you may do all of this on Sunday. It will not be considered late until after midnight on Sunday. I would, however, suggest making sure that you get it done ahead of time so that you don't have to worry about doing it on Sunday evenings. So for example, this Wednesday's assignment, okay, here, and here's Sunday's assignment. These 2 are not considered late until after Sunday, but I would make sure that I do this on Wednesday so that you're not overwhelmed on Sunday by the amount of material. Also notice it just tells you what to sort of do each day. So you're going to review section 2.1, the videos and the PowerPoints, and then the second day you're going to do the extra help documents. So that's going to sort of guide you throughout the course. You can also please take a minute and print out these calendars. Right here will be the Fairfax County calendar, and then this is the late policy that I went over in the academic expectations. Here's some reminders about what to do with quiz and test retakes, and then how to get some help with Blackboard if you need it. All right, so the next important thing is over here. It's everything is basically in a row of what you need to do, a column of what you need to do each day. So this Getting Started folder, you're going to click on this, and then this is what's mandatory that will be due by Friday the 31st. You'll click on this, and this will bring up everything that you need to work on. So you're going to click through each of these pages, and they are going to take you through everything that you need to do. Okay. Okay, and notice these are the couple of things that you need to work on prior to the start of the course. All right, once you've got started in the course content is where you're going to get everything that you need to learn for AP Statistics. Let's just click on one unit, for example, Unit 1 Descriptive Statistics. If you click on that, that will be everything you need to learn from Unit 1. This first folder right here has your calculator directions. Notice how it tells you what we're doing. We're making histograms and box and whisker plots. Each section will have a PowerPoint, a PDF, and a video. You can decide what method works best for your learning style. Within each section, there'll be practice problems and practice quizzes. So please make sure that you use those to help you complete your homework assignments. Okay, so here's your guided reading notes. Go ahead and print those out. Those will be for the entire Unit 1. Notice how this is labeled Section 1.1 Content, Introduction to Statistics. You'll click on this. This is the PDF. This is the PowerPoint, and this is the video of me going through it. So this is what you need to complete your homework assignments, your tests, and your quizzes. Notice how there's instructions on what you need to do. Okay, below it are some extra worked out problems. These are just extra worked out problems if you'd like to see them. Notice we're on section 1.2. Okay, you have your PDF, PowerPoint, or your video. This is what you need to do from this section. From section 1.2, you'll need to make sure you take a quiz. Now, here's some practice. This is what's going to be key for your homework assignments. This is practice using bar graphs, pie charts, etc. Under every section is practice. These will have answer keys. These are worked out solutions. They're models for what your homework should be like. So if you go through the PowerPoints and think that you need a little bit more practice, please make sure that you click on these so that you get additional practice. Scroll down. Here's your 1.3 content. Okay, notice how this one has 2 videos. Here is some additional videos. So down here, this is some additional YouTube videos. Make sure that you complete the 1.3 homework assignment. Once again, down here, here's more practice and answer keys. So if you'd like to get more models for what the homework looks like, please click on those. At the bottom of every unit will be a summary and review. So this is not required, but I would highly suggest that you work on these reviews prior to taking your unit exams. And every unit has those. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your graded assignments. So your graded assignments are going to be where you're going to get all of your homework assignments, your tests, and your quizzes. Will also be where you submit them. Notice right here this is your 1.2 quiz. You'll click on that. When you'll click on that, you'll say begin your quiz. Notice once you start the quiz, you cannot stop and come back to it. You must, once you start it, complete it in one setting, and then after 25 minutes, it will submit. Okay, so make sure you complete it within that time. If you'd like to do quiz corrections, here's your quiz correction template. You'll open that up, complete it, and then fill it in here. Here's the retake. Your academic expectations have gone over what to do for the retakes. Here's your 1.3 homework assignment. Make sure you understand that the assignment must be handwritten. Okay, and then you'll use your CAM Scanner app in order to upload that unless you have a scanner at home. Okay, please make sure you submit the assignment as one document. If you turn in a homework assignment that is not handwritten or not submitted as one document, I don't want like 4 or 5 pages, then it will be considered, I will ask for you to resubmit it. So please just be careful with that. Okay, notice down here you have your Unit 1 multiple choice exams and your multiple choice free response exams. Once again, it must be handwritten. You can either scan the document or take pictures, but please use CAM Scanner app. If you don't have a scanner at home, it will put everything into one PDF file and then you can upload that. All right, so that's where you're going to get all your homework assignments, tests, and quizzes. End of unit Frappies, these are your free response AP questions that you'll need to do. Notice here, there is one for each unit. Okay, so there will be one for each section. What you're going to do for this is you're going to open up the Frappy. You're going to try the question. Do the very best that you can. After you have tried that question and done the very best that you can, you're going to open up the answer key and check your answers. You are going to fix any answers that are incorrect. Once you have fixed any answers that are incorrect, then you may go back and turn the assignment in. These assignments will be graded on whether or not you fixed your answers. I don't care if you get them wrong on the first try. I just want you to then open up the answer key and fix them and understand how the AP readers will be grading your free response questions. Okay, those are all the way up through Unit 10. Here's your discussion boards that you'll have at the beginning of each unit. Okay, so at the beginning of each unit, you will click on hiring discrimination, your Unit 1 wrap-up, and you will look for a post. You will post one original post and then a response to a classmate. If you click on this button right here, this is what's going to take you to our live chat sessions. If you have missed a chat session, you're going to click on your chat recordings. Under chat recordings is where you will find any recordings from any chats that you missed. So notice how this says first quarter recordings. You'll click on that. And every time that you miss a recording, you also have a Word document that you need to fill out that goes along with the recording that you missed. Okay, your syllabus and course documents. This is going to be where you're going to find your calendar, your AP Stats formula sheet. Make sure you print that out. The Fairfax County calendar, how to succeed in AP statistics, and your syllabus. Please make sure that you click on and print out your syllabus so that you have that for the year. And the returned work, My Grades, is going to be a very important tab. All right, so what you'll notice here is if you take a look, this says what it is out of 7. If you have submitted it, it will be an explanation point. If you have not submitted it or it has not gone through, no explanation point will come up there. Once I have graded it, that explanation point will go away and your specific grade will show up here. Okay, so now in order to see your quiz grade, you're actually going to have to click on the quiz, and then you'll have to click on your grade again. Please make sure that you take a look at the feedback that I give you. Okay, if you do not take a look at the feedback, then you cannot learn from your mistakes for your upcoming tests and quizzes. Right here is staff information, so if you need to get in contact with me, here is my information. Please feel free to text me or email me at any time. And if you need some help through Blackboard, go ahead and click on that. Okay, so that just gives you some Blackboard help. And tools here are going to be where if you would like to email me or go to the discussion board from here, you can get all from that tab. All right, let me know if you have any questions as you're working.